Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to add internship LinkedIn profile. So first, open your LinkedIn profile, as you can see on your screen, then scroll down, go to experience, and here just need to click on the plus icon right here. And once you click on that, click on add position. And from here, just need to fill up all the fields. For example, in title, you can type internship. And from here, you can choose whether you are in internship trainee, summer internship, or marketing internship. We have design internship. We have here some sales internship, student intern. So depending on your experience. So basically, just need to click on internship trainee and an employment type. For example, part-time, then company name. You can type your company name right here and enter your location. Then basically, for example, you can type United States and location type, hybrid. And then here you can enter the start date and the year and scroll down. You can just put a description, profile heading, add skills, and add major. Once you've done, just click on this save button right here at the bottom right. And as you can see, it will now add up to your experience. So here, gonna click on this keep button and let's see our profile. And there you go, we have added that internship experience. So that's how you basically add internship on your LinkedIn profile. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.